In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a turnip with the help of basic shapes. Let's begin by selecting the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Draw a random ellipse to create the main body of the turnip. Now, use the polygon tool to draw a triangle shape underneath the turnip body. This will form the lower part of the turnip. To clean up these overlapping lines, select both the ellipse and the triangle, and then use the Shape Builder tool to merge them into a single shape. Next, select the Direct Selection tool. Click on both sides of the pair and drag them slightly to give the turnip its distinctive shape. First, copy the turnip body by holding the Alt key and dragging it. Then, draw a straight line over the turnip body. Step 4. Applying Zigzag Effect. Go to Effects in the top menu. Choose Distort and Transform, and select Zigzag. Check the Smooth option, and increase the size to your liking. Click OK to apply the effect. Go to Object in the top menu and select Expand Appearance. To convert the effect into editable shapes, select both the turnip body and the zigzag pattern. Then use the Shape Builder tool to remove any unwanted parts from the turnip. Change the turnip's color by using the eyedropper tool and selecting the desired color from your illustration. To enhance the highlights, duplicate the turnip twice. Select both shapes and use the minus front option in the Pathfinder panel. Right-click on the highlight, choose Arrange, and click Bring to Front. Reduce the opacity of the highlight shapes to your preference. Repeat this process for more highlights. Let's add some leaves to our turnip. Use the Ellipse tool to draw small ellipses that will serve as leaves. Use the brush tool to add some details to the leaves. Make them look more realistic. and add highlights with the help of pen tool. Use the Shape Builder tool to remove any unwanted parts from the leaves. Arrange the leaves around the turnip. Make sure the leaves are sent to the back, so they appear behind the turnip.